All right, Minnewaska teachers, here is the second part of my video. This is how you upload a video onto YouTube. So once this, see this right here in this top right corner here, so that's right after that got done saving from that Smart Notebook file. So then all I simply will do is I'll just press OK, and then I'm going to close out of that because I don't need that anymore. I'm going to find my video. There's the video I just recorded. So I'm going to go to YouTube. Now, all of you have a YouTube page because all of your emails are Google accounts. So I've already been into mine before. You might have an icon that shows up right away, then you just simply can click to get through it. But on YouTube, you'll see this little video camera. You're going to create a video. You'll press that plus. Then you'll go ahead and upload video. Click that button right there. And whenever I make those videos on Smart Notebook or any kind of videos, I always save it on my desktop. Most of the time I have a folder just so you can kind of find them here. That's my advice to you. Drag and drop a file. So if you just click here, it's going to show up here. You're looking for your video. I'm on my desktop. I'm going to go ahead and screen down, scroll down here. That video was called 9.9 Distance Learning. Then I'm going to go ahead and press open. It's going to go ahead and load up. I'm going to call it 9.9 Distance Learning. You can change it if you want. Then you're going to go ahead and scroll down a little bit more. Playlists, you can put it in a playlist if you want. I might put mine in my Minnewaska videos just so I can find it. You can add a new playlist, Distance Learning. You can name it that if you want. You're going to press done. Is this made for kids? You're going to say yes. Scroll down, and then you're going to click on the next button right there. Okay. The next thing, you're going to go ahead and see what they ask. Go ahead and press next. And the visibility. Make this public. I know you're probably thinking, I want it to be private because I don't want people to see what I'm doing. Make it public. It's easier. You'll run into less hiccups if you do it that way. Trust me, it's the way to go. Publish it, and then it will just simply start uploading. I'm not going to have you guys watch that the whole time, but then once it's done, you go to your YouTube page, go ahead and go to your playlist. I'll kind of show you what that might look like here. So once it's all done, loading up, it'll show you I'm going to go to YouTube. It's going to look like this, and then over here on the side, you see I have Minnewaska videos. Click there. That's my playlist. And then here's the video that is uploading right now. It looks like a deleted video, but this is the one I just uploaded before this. And here is the distance learning of me doing the Screen-O-Matic with you guys. So I had just done that with this. So the video that I am playing for you, or uploading, I should say, for you is a little different than that one. But yeah, that's what it looks like right here. So hopefully that works. So then once you're done with that, so if you want to send that out, so this video right here, you can simply just copy that link at the top, open up a new tab, take a look and see how that works. And there is your video. So you can decide what you want to do with that. Because then you can take that video, you can go to your email, you can compose, you can send that link out to whoever you want. I'll send it to myself. Video. Put that in here, paste it. I can put that in a Google Classroom, however you want to send it. So hopefully that helped Minnewaska teachers. I'm obviously can help. I'm trying to find easy ways for you guys to use the skills that you have and just make it equipable for distance learning. All right, please email me with any questions. Yeah, good luck.